Accendete il fuoco a manetta e li schiaffate a faccia in giù sulla piastra rovente, esattamente tutti quanti così. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, poi riempite un bicchiere d'acqua, ci aggiungete un cucchiaino di zucchero, mescolate bene, poi sfumate i fichi per renderli belli caramellati, guardali lì come sfrigolano, poi li tirate su quando sono succulenti, madonna mia. Prendete del prosciutto crudo, lo schiaffate.
So I wanted to make baby blue faux marble earrings with a gold vein. All started out well, liking the color, liking the texture, but then I did a bake sample and they turned out green. So I had to pivot because I thought that was too much, and I started to add some black as like an accent. And then I decided to bake them at a lower temperature, but I still thought even if they turn out a little green, I need some more texture, like maybe stripes, to help balance the earrings. Which, stripes are good with anything. I've been trying to be really good about using all of my scraps, and so I thought that adding this kind of stripe over the marble texture could be a fun way to do that. Kind of a whimsical avant-garde vibe. There they are. I'm gonna put them in the oven. And ta-da! At the end, super fun, crazy earrings.